Okay, good morning. Welcome to today's warm-up. Today we're going to be building on what we were looking at yesterday in terms of turning our stick figures into these Keith Haring style bubble characters. So very first, we're just going to do a quick warm-up of somebody running. So if we look at our gesture sheet that we have in the back of our packets, I'm just going to go for something simple like this guy right here. So make sure we're going to have the head, the rib cage, some hips, and then make sure we have our joints in there as well. As we do this, we're going to try and fill the box. So this should be on, I think, the third page in the packet that you picked up from school. So we're going to try and rotate the paper this way, and then we're going to fill as much of the paper as we can. So let's start with our basic skeleton. So when we're doing this, I want you guys drawing nice and sketchily. This is our warm-up, so we're just getting ready for today's activity. So this practice, just work on getting the shape looking right. I don't know if you can all remember, but when we have gone over how to draw a human body in proportion, the whole body should be approximately 7 head heights. So there's one head height, there's one head height there. So we should see that repeat 7 times through the body to make sure that we know we are drawing in the correct proportions. Obviously, it's a bit tricky to do that when you start bending the legs and things like this, like our guy who's running. So that's what we're doing for our first layer. And then we are going to, on top of that, go around and turn him into one of these Keith Haring style kind of bubble characters. Something I've noticed was I'm drawing these, I keep drawing the neck way too long. So I'm trying to compensate for that by making his shoulders a bit heavier. Okay, so we're looking for something like this, and then you know what to do next. Erase your lines on the inside. Kind of looks like he's running, kind of looks like he's just lost his mind as well. And then looking back at our Keith Haring pictures, we're going to add these lines, and we're going to see how we can use these lines to add gesture into our character and to make him look like he's moving as well. So when he's running, we kind of think he's moving this direction. So one way we could show that he is running is just by having some simple horizontal, so it's this way, it's horizontal, lines coming out this side. Maybe we can also put some curved lines around these joints as well to make him show that he is moving these body parts. Maybe he's running out of fear or shock. So then by adding these lines around his head, he's showing shock, alarm, surprise, you name it. Okay, that's your warm-up for today. Join me in the next video to see the beginning of our main project for this week. See you in a second.